Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you 7 ways to make docking smoother and easier. Know the tidal range before you dock or anchor your boat. Make your lines long enough so the boat does not hang on her lines at low tide. Rig fenders and lines on both sides of the boat. In a docking emergency, you may need your crew to shift sides. Do this now to save time later. Test your engine before you get into the confined space of a marina. Stop your boat in a clear area, then shift your engine into forward, neutral, and astern. Make sure that your engine answers each of these commands. Get your anchor ready at the bow, but also rig a lightweight anchor astern. If you need to slow down the boat in an emergency, an anchor from the stern might help you do that. Look for open piers, slips, or pilings ahead of the boat as you enter the marina. If you lose your engine, you could drift over to one of these moorings to clear out of danger. Check the wind and current inside the marina as you enter. Masthead flies on moored sailboats show true wind direction, as do flags ashore. Look at the base of pilings to check the flow of current. Use these wind and current signs to help you plan your docking approach. Practice quiet communications when docking your boat. Work out a set of silent hand signals with your sailing crew or partner. Do this even if you use electronic headsets, and if you need to use vocal commands, keep these commands quiet for stress-free docking. Now you know 7 ways to make docking your boat smoother and easier. Use these sailing tips to help you sail safer on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.